Hi guys, I'm Haspa with WTI and I am on my husband's side of the closet right now. And yes, we do need to keep it organized because it is such a small closet. And if we don't, then it's gonna be super hard to find our thing. But this Skubb hanging clothes closet storage organizer from Ikea has been a lifesaver for me and my husband. I have another one on the other side of the closet, but this is his, and this is where we keep everything in place, from jeans to pants to undies to t-shirts, because there's nowhere else we can put his things. And this has been great because he can easily find everything he needs to wear on a daily basis. After I'm done doing laundry, I'm able to fold the clothes and put them back where they're supposed to be, and they're pretty visible. It takes very little room to store and it folds flat if it's not being used, and the fabric is made of polyester. The hook and loop fastener makes it easy to hang up and move. It comes with 6 compartments and 2 of them are smaller so that I can organize smaller pieces of clothing, and in the other ones, at least, as you can see here, let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pants, thick pants fit in here. It's pretty deep, so as you can see here, I can not only place these t-shirts or these pants, I can put more clothes over there because they fit really well. It definitely holds a lot, which is what we always look for in an organizer, and I definitely think it's really useful. He loves it, I love it, we love it, and that's our point of view.